Yo! I got the Nickmobile in here again. The one I did this lovely engine job to. He wants some headlights. You know, this car might not be rice, but this here, this is the soy sauce. Alright, I'm going to get in here and do some headlight action. You probably don't have one of these on your vehicle unless you're really fancy. This TBW windage condom thing and something or another. I'm going to take this off first, get it out of the way. For whatever reason, these are 13 millimeters. These bolts don't want to come off, so I'm going to leave this on and just try to get this thing out of here with it in there. On both sides of these fenders, there's some plastic clips you got to get off. These you just pop the centers out on, and they come out. Then this tricky little bugger, it's got a little button you push in, and then you should be able to get this off too. Like so. I got another one of them push clips down here I gotta get off for the lower fender. Somebody was nice enough to bury a 3/8 inch nut on me. Well, at least they put a stainless one on here so it doesn't rust up on me. That thing rusted, I probably wouldn't have got that off. Okay, I just got to do the same to the other side. Somebody put a rivet head bolt, 2 rivet head bolts on this side, and they're rusted in. And they just spin, and I can barely even get a vice grip on here. So they are soon to have a flat head on it for a screwdriver. Nice. Yeah, they put nylocks on it and everything. They got real fancy with those. This is one more reason why I like snap-on screwdrivers. There's not a whole lot like these. There's a hex end on here, so I can put a 7/16 wrench on this. So I can hold on to this really good. Wow, that must be He-Man. I broke that sucker. None of this is stock. He's got the fanciest license plate bracket I've ever seen in my life. I could probably take this off too. It might make my life easier. Some superstar named Perrin made that. Yeah, I noticed this, so I turned the lights on and I text him. I'm like, hey dude, why'd you put that brown splurge of paint on your fog light? And apparently that's because he put a vinyl sticker over this. It's for fog lights, so they melt and they make a nice brown spot. So those are a license of steel. If you're thinking about buying them, don't get it. I'm going to unbolt this fog lights next. There's probably some clips on here you got to take off. They weren't on there for whatever reason. And I can just get up in here and unplug that. Ooh, water. Yummy. Ooh, yum. Smells like body odor. There's 4 clips up top here. You pull them up too far and they don't want to come out. Then these sides are kind of clipped in a little and you just gotta pop them out like so. I got a chair under here. Just gotta kind of work it, try not to break anything. Work it. There it is. This should come right off. Like so. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool just like that. Why put a cover on it? 10 millimeter. Got a 10 millimeter right here. 10 millimeter here. The plastic clip right here. Ooh, he's boking. Fun. I didn't do it. The 10 here. 10 here. There's one more 10mm down here. That should be all of them. He's got some funk wired in on this side. He's got some stuff wired in on this side. I don't know, he's got some extra stuff here in the main harness. Pull that off. There's a little push clip back here. There's a clip right here. You guys get in here with a needle nose or something. You gotta push these tabs in, pop that out, and that should be it. Well, it looks like there's some LEDs that go in the end of the front fender. More pretty lights that were temporarily cool. I don't know, I turned the lights on. He said these didn't work. So I suppose I could hook it up to 12 volts and see if they power up. I don't think they will. Anyways, this headlight's off. Awesome. More soy sauce. This is not a waterproof connection, so it's really not a very bright idea. You also split the insulation off the wire, and usually you just put it in there and stab it. You don't need to split the insulation. I really don't like them splice connectors. Sometimes they cut the wire too. Apparently he said this side didn't even work. Yeah, this side doesn't work anyways. It's broken. Something wrong. Aftermarket headlights usually always have some kind of fitment issue. A lot of times things just don't line up as perfect as you want them to. Before I bolt this up, I'm going to want to make sure the soy sauce works. Ooh, look at that, fancy. Wow. Wow, that looks rich. That looks like something I can't even afford. There it is. New and improved soy sauce. Okay, bye.